Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can hide friends on Snapchat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So if you have been wanting to hide friends on Snapchat, the first step would be for you to simply open up your Snapchat app. Likewise, once you have opened up your Snapchat, this is how the interface is gonna look like, right? So what you're going to do, first of all, go to this little chat icon. And now apparently Snapchat does not have a built-in option where you can simply go ahead and hide a particular friend or a friend group. So what you have to do is you simply have to go through the process of removing the friend completely. So what you're going to do is simply going to go ahead, long press on the friend of yours and tap on this option of manage a friendship, and tap on this option of remove friend. Tap on remove again, and now the person will be gone from your chat itself. That's basically hidden. Now they have been removed, and that's what you can do to all of the listed friends of yours on the chat section on your Snapchat account. That's basically how it works. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.